Hello students, let us see the case number 4. Questions will be like this. Suppose x square plus 5 minus k times of x plus 5 equal to 0. Find k, both roots equal in magnitude, opposite in sign. So what is the condition for both roots opposite in sign? Opposite in sign is p less than 0. Okay, and magnitude equal in roots is sum of the roots is 0. Now let us substitute here. Sum of the roots will be minus b by a is equal to 0. That is I can write as minus 5 plus k is equal to 0. From this I got k value 5. Okay, now here product of the roots will be 0. That is product of the roots is what here? Product of the roots, that is, you think this is as minus 5. Okay, product of the roots is c by a, minus 5 is less than 0. So minus 5 is less than 0. In this case is minus 5 is less than 0 is true. So I can say that if k value is 5, k value is 5. So k value is 5, then you will get both roots are equal in magnitude. See that this will become 0. So x square is equal to 5, x is equal to plus or minus 5. Plus or minus root 5. So one thing is this must be 0, then you will get both roots are equal in magnitude. That is the case. And you will get here negative. This should be negative. C should be negative and this should be 0. Then you will get both roots are equal in magnitude, opposite in sign you will get. So here in this case you can see same way. You can see here what is the answer for sum of the roots is k minus 3. K minus 3 is equal to 0. K minus b by a. Minus b by a. Minus b by a is equal to 0. That is minus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus k is equal to minus 3. Minus k. Answer k is equal to 3 is the answer, and here 6 is less than 0. The minus 6 is less than 0. So k is equal to 3 makes this one. If this is 3, so 3x square. This if it is 0, 3x square minus 6 equal to 0. So x square is equal to 6 by 3. So I get x square is equal to 2. So x is equal to plus or minus root 2. So that is what you are going to get. So if magnitude is same, what I am going to get? Suppose it should be have like this form: x square minus k is equal to 0. This form it will be getting. So x square is equal to k I will get. So x will be plus or minus root k I will get. Means what I am going to get? Sum of the roots will be 0 in this case. So in this format I am going to get the questions. Now we have more still 6 location of roots, location of points. So we'll discuss now. Let us see. Hello students, let us see here the last concept here, because we have 10 points, 10 cases for location of roots. Now today I am going to explain 5 cases. This is the 5th case, and we will solve question based on this 5th case tomorrow. On Monday we will solve the problem on 5th case. Again after that I am going to explain you more 5 cases. Totally 10 cases are there in location of roots. Let us see here. This case is most important case of JEE Mains point of view. Most important case. JEE Mains, they ask many times these questions. These questions are most important. Make it star mark for this. And you can see here, if both roots are greater than a real number k. If both roots are greater than real number k, what is the rule for this? Exceeds by some real number k. So what I am going to get here? I have wrote 3 cases exam here. A greater than 0. Here also a greater. K is here. K is here, alpha and beta are right side, means alpha beta on x axis you see here, alpha beta on right side means alpha beta are more than k, that's what. Here also k, alpha beta are equal and more than k, because these are right side of the k. And here also k is the left side, alpha beta are right side, and this is downwards parabola, downwards, and this is upwards parabola. So it may be having like this, or may be having equal symbol. Equal also roots will be equal place and distinct place. But k is a real number, which is the roots should be greater than a real number. K is a real number and the roots are greater than that. What are the conditions? Here you can see discriminant greater than 0. In this is discriminant equal to 0. The first case is discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. That's very important. See, today I am just going to explain this one. Problem we are going to do on Monday based on this IIT, JEE Mains and Advanced. Ask the questions. Okay, now let us see here the case number 2. You have to remember this. Okay, you have to remember. So now in the case number 2, what is going to happen here? F of k, if I substitute k value, then this graph will be like this, na? So the k value will be positive because this is above the x-axis. And a is greater than 0. A is positive, f of k also positive. F of k means if I am substituting value of that in the function in this ax square plus bx plus c, this is going to get positive because we are positive. A positive, this is positive. Positive into positive is positive. So a into f of k will be positive. In this case also see here, a greater than 0, f of k will be greater than 0. So a into f of k will be greater than 0. In this case here, a less than 0 and f of k will be below the x-axis. This is negative. Negative into negative is positive. So case number 2 is, rule number 2 is a into f of k is greater than 0. Number 3 is vertex of this. This is vertex. C vertex is minus b by 2a. So this minus b by 2 always right side of this. Minus b by 2a is greater than k. Minus b by 2a greater than k. Minus b by 2a greater than k. Minus b by 2a greater than k. So minus b by 2a is greater than k.